So as you wrap up your work on your project for Unit 3B, this video is going to take you through how we would like you to upload your project to a map of Missouri. That way, everybody that's worked on the project and others can see what you've done. So, the first thing that we're going to do is you need to take a moment and pull up your project. And so, you can pull up your project in Google Drive, and it'll appear like so. Your information will already be filled in. Now, you may see it looking like this. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take a screenshot of this. So, you're going to want to change the way your project appears on screen right now. So there's a couple things that you can do. One is you can come up here in Google Drive and you can change it from 100% to, let's try 75%. Now, you might not be able to see everything, so there's a couple more things that you could do. One is you could go back and change it from 75 to a smaller percentage like 50, or you could click on View and Full Screen. Now, when you go to View Full Screen, you might have to dismiss this message right here, but then make sure that you can see everything. Now, if not, you can go back to your controls by hitting the Escape key, and that will take you back. But I'm going to go back to full screen mode and dismiss this message again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to capture just the pamphlet part. So I'm going to hit Command Shift and 4. Again, Command Shift and 4 on my computer. And I get this plus sign, and I'm going to click and drag and hold, and I'm going to get all of my project in here. And I just took a screenshot of it. Now, you have to know where your screenshots save. Mine happened to go to my Dropbox. Yours might go to the desktop. Once you have a screenshot of your project pamphlet, then we can go back to Blackboard. And this is what you're going to do in Blackboard. Now, if you're using Blackboard to hold the project items, then what you'll do is you'll go to the bottom of the page and you'll see this map. Now, with this map, here's what I would like you to do. Over here on the right, we want to view the larger map. And this will pop open in a different window. Now, to add your information to it, you're going to click on Edit. Now, when you click on Edit, you're going to have a chance to type in your town name. So, for example, I'm going to type in Liberty, L-I-B-E-R-T-Y. Now, one thing that you'll already notice is Liberty is over here on the left side already. So because of that, well, somebody might have already done this town as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click down here on Liberty, Missouri, which doesn't have an icon next to it. And I'm going to click on it. And what I want to do is I would like to add it to the map. Now when you add it to the map, it's going to appear on the left side. And you'll notice it has kind of this blue, I've kind of got it highlighted over here in this menu on the left side, but it has this blue little, I don't know, balloon with a white dot inside of it. Now, what also has occurred is we have this menu in the middle of the screen. And what I'd like you to do is go ahead and click on the pencil to edit. Now, we're going to leave the town name on its own, but I'd like you to go ahead and type in the box of text, I'd like you to go ahead and type in your name, your first and last name, and then click on Save. Now, what you can do next is this. Click on the photo, and you're going to add an image. Now, we're going to have to select a file from your computer, and the file we're going to select is on Dropbox. And when we go to Dropbox, in my case, mine is underneath Screenshots. Yours might be on the desktop. So go ahead and find the file that you need. And then you'll upload it, and it will appear in here. At that point, you want to go ahead and click on Save. Now, once you've clicked on Save, you've got it. I can go and close, click on this X right here, and Liberty has appeared over here. Now, it'll have a different icon than the one that's there. If you'd like to change the icon, you can do so. And you can do so by clicking the little paint bucket. And you can choose an appropriate icon or select from more icons. Make sure your icon is appropriate and make sure it can resemble the town, if there is one that is. So once you have that, and again, we can click on more icons and all kinds of different things that we can look at and we can use. So again, closing out of these menus, we see that we have everything over here. We have our new location. Now what we can also do is we can alphabetize the towns. So you can take your newfound town and you can click in the menu and you can move it up where it goes. And this might be a little tricky because we're all going to be moving things at the same time. So you can give it a try and see how it works for you. If not, we can go in and alphabetize these ourselves as well. Okay, so this is edit mode. Let's see what it will look like now that we've added our link. So if we click on the preview, we're going to get the map, and you're going to see this list of towns over here. You'll be able to click on your town, and you'll be able to go down to the photos. And in the photos, you're going to see a pamphlet pop up, along with maybe other Google images that have been loaded as well. And so this concludes how to upload your information to the map of Missouri. We hope you've enjoyed the project, and we hope that you've learned a lot, and we look forward to everybody getting a chance to view everybody's work and learning something along the way.